Well, good afternoon. We are so glad that you guys are here.
Yes.
It is gifting for the holidays presented by the Personal Gift Basket Company.
Yes.
And my name is Sarah Goldalion, and I have had the opportunity of working with and for Lisa in the marketing public relations space for about 9 years, I think we tallied.
Yep.
And so we are just so excited to be here to speak with Lisa, to get all the ideas that we need now that the holidays are here.
Yes.
And so I'm sure you guys know her, let me introduce you to the one, the only, Lisa Paden.
You always make me feel like a rock star.
Oh,
I'm always excited.
You are. I mean, look at this sweatshirt.
Yes,
What
I
does
have
it say?
OCD. It's obsessive Christmas disorder. Yes, and I do have it because it's my favorite time of the year.
I love that.
Yes.
Later I'll ask you where you got that because I want to totally knock out. I did the little ornament earrings to try to match her because I knew she'd have something super fun.
Yes.
So, okay, we are going to have a really fun time today. So whether you're joining us live or you're joining us later online, we're just so glad that you're here with us today.
Yes.
Our hope is that you guys would be encouraged and that you would get some great ideas on gifting for the holidays, bless people, and also that you would connect with Lisa and the Personal Gift Basket Company so she can help make you look really good. Absolutely. And make the people that you love feel wonderful.
Absolutely.
Okay, so Lisa, please tell us, for those of us or those who do not know the story behind this beautiful brand, please tell people, what is the Personal Gift Basket Company? What is it about? Why do you exist? Maybe tell us a little bit about that.
Yes. So a lot of you know the story, but for those who don't, I started my company, looks like almost 19 years ago, back when I was pregnant with our last baby, and I wanted to come out of corporate America and start a business, and that I love to do. And so that's kind of how the Personal Gift Basket was birthed. I wanted to create gifts that made people smile, that helped business owners make a great impression with their clients, to be able to just share the joy of gifting. I think it's something that we definitely need. I think it's one of those essential things. And so this is how it all began. And I've loved every moment of it.
Oh, I love that. That is so great. So we are just, if you pop in here, feel free to answer any of these questions here, who you are, where you're coming from, what you hope to get out of today. But as you heard from Lisa, she's been in business for 19, almost 20 years.
Yes.
And so Lisa, I guess, what is something that just is at the heart of the Personal Gift Basket Company? Like, what is your heart and your mission for what you're doing here?
Well, I think my company is built on the integrity of gifting, the beauty and the benefit that gifting gives to the individual. So the person who's giving the gift to grandma or giving the gift to the new mom, or the business owner who's giving the gift to clients or referral partners or vendors. I want the gift to speak to them. So I don't want the gift to be something I want to give to them. I want it to be something that they want to give. So I want that integrity of the gift to go through from the person ordering to the person receiving.
I love that. Now, Lisa is, I would say, a pillar of your community. You're involved in a lot of different components here. We're in the greater St. Louis metro area, although your organization is international.
I am. I ship all over the world. Right now, we've shipped to over 14 different countries, and we're wanting to ship to more. We definitely have learned our lesson about how all of that works with customs.
Oh, man.
So we're good. So we're good now.
Now you know. Now you
know.
know. You got to remain flexible.
Oh my God. Yes. Yeah.
Well, so Lisa is, involved in the community. So tell us a little bit about the non-for-profit connection that you guys have at the heart of what you're doing as well.
Yeah. So I have been so blessed to be on the board of the Child Advocacy Center of Western St. Charles, which is very near and dear to my heart. And it is a child advocacy where they help children who are being abused sexually. And it is a wonderful opportunity. And we give a portion of all of our proceeds to the Child Advocacy Center.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
So, okay, again, if you're just joining us, feel free to pop in and tell us a little bit about yourself. Mm-hmm. This is the third time that we've done this.
Yes.
And it's so much fun.
It's so fun. And you being here is just amazing. I love that you come and help me do this, come to the studio. It's always fun.
Oh my gosh, it's a blast. And so we've had a number of different types of people hop in with us. We've had realtors.
Yeah, realtors. We've had other gifting companies pop in. Some of my dear friends who do exactly what I do all over the U.S. We've had
like grandmas.
Yeah, we've had the stay-at-home mom. We've had the grandma. We've had business owners, people who are just wanting to know about gifting and to kind of incorporate that into their marketing plans for the year. So it's always fun.
Yeah. And so if you're somebody that is watching today and it's not live, I want to make sure that you know that you can email Lisa any of your specific questions, because this is all designed to really help you out and to help you get creative and inspired. So Lisa, tell them your email address again.
It's lisa@thepersonalgiftbasket.com or hello@thepersonalgiftbasket.com.
That is perfect. Okay, so we're going to hop into gifting for the holidays. Yay!
It's holiday gifting.
It's holiday gifting. That's right. And so one thing I wanted to ask first, though, is people call you the gifting coach. So maybe unpack that just a little bit before we hop into the actual holiday stuff.
Yeah, that's a good question. So that's a twofold thing. So I started the gifting coach with the intent of helping people who were kind of like me, who were in corporate America and wanted to be able to come out of corporate America and do some type of gifting. So it didn't necessarily have to be gift boxes, gift baskets, but gifting. It could have been someone who really wants to do chocolate or something like that. So I wanted to help them through that process by kind of coming along the side of them and coaching them through how that looks. And then it kind of morphed into me becoming a gifting coach for people who are gifting. So it looks a little different. So basically I'm helping you incorporate gifting into your marketing plan, like we talked about earlier. So that is the fun part of the gifting coach. It was one thing, it became another thing. So yeah.
Okay. And so with Lisa being the gifting coach, speaking to that, she's also been on a number of TV shows. She's also been interviewed. Let's talk a little bit about some of the places that have leaned into your expertise.
Oh yeah.
We've had channel
with her help, of course. With her help, of course.
Easy to help you.
If you need PR, here she is. Top notch, I'm telling you. So yeah, I've been on most of our local news channels, 5, 2, 11, 4, and been on several podcasts. I've been featured in some of our great books like Town and Country and Town and Style, which is always fun because, you know, I have a visual product and it's always great to be able to show people what we can do for them. So
yeah,
I love that.
I love that too.
Yes.